Hi, this is Kev with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club. Totally free site to advertise. Go over to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. I made a video of how to use my site yesterday. You go check it out. It's probably about a 10-minute video. You might find it interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here on the daily quest reward and the pack opening. The did better today or last night, and this morning was kind of a draw. I kind of ended up where I started at, but I got my 5 victories in, and I am at a bronze 1. So probably the next day or two I'll be silver 3. And I do a lot of battling yesterday on the mobile. I don't have that much time to play too long, and in the evenings, I'll probably is usually when I get most playing time in. But a lot of drawing, like win 1, lose 2, win 2, lose 1. So I always end up kind of like where I'm started, and that should change as the season goes along. But so this should be 1 chest because you don't start getting 2 or more, I think, until silver 3. Now the reward is a little bit better in bronze 1 than it is bronze 2, so that's good. But silver and bronze are like day and night when it comes to rewards. And I got 9 credits, so there's that. And now let's go open up the pack again. The last 3 packs have not used a potion. Did on the 10 previous ones. So far, the without potions are winning because I've gotten 3 summoners, but no gold or legendary, neither ones. So you get 5 cards per pack. And if you do use potions, which I usually do, if you've been watching my videos, I just started not using them because I'm using that extra money. The cards have just gotten so low. I can't miss out on that. So I'm taking the potions got axed for that reason. Um, you're guaranteed 1 rare or better. There it is. And then these are all commons. Now, these could still be gold. The potions double your chance for legendary and gold. And there's 1 potion for legendary, 1 for gold. So you're using 2 potions per card, basically. That's a good card, that Stitch Leech. Okay, there's the commons. And that's a good card, too. Okay, now the packs, if you don't get your money's worth out of a pack, the cool thing and the great thing about Splinterlands is over time, because these are all NFTs, they're being burned and combined to create more powerful and rarer cards. So you hold them, you use them in your battles. I wouldn't recommend selling right now because the prices are so low, but you do whatever you want to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe. Join me in the links below. So over time, now that's what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to combine and burn them, and I'm going to go show you immediately how I do that on one of them. And then I'm going to show you the levels, and then that's it. I'm trying to keep the videos under 10 minutes because I'm doing one every day. Oh, and we got to look at the numbers real quick, which they didn't change much since yesterday. In fact, they're exactly the same. My profit went up $4, but let's not even look at it. Save us some time there. Here's the cards you get for free. When you join my link below, you can play for free. And then if you want to open up the entire platform, you got to pay the $10 spellbook fee. And I told you about the affiliate program yesterday. So here's all my cards. And if it's got a little red drop down, it means I have more than 1. Now, the ones that are higher than first level, this one's a legendary. Okay. So he starts out, I think, at 4th level. Or no, I got him maxed out. Yeah, I think it took 11 of those to max it out. But anyway, so there's 11 cards there. You see what I'm saying? And then, so I destroyed 10 legendaries, which there's only, let's go look how many's in circulation there. There's only 10,900 in existence. And I destroyed 11 of them to create 1 card. And I'm renting them out right now to be exact. and rental's another form of income. And I don't use the Fire Deck much, and I don't use him much. Uh, I kind of haven't been able to figure out how to work him in my strategy. But here you go. So I got one of these today, and you notice I don't keep doubles. Some people like to keep singles. I like to burn them. When I burn them, it also makes your card more rare and valuable. But you see here, I got first level, 2 in the box, 1 of 4. I need 3 more to get the second level. So I'm going to combine these. That's all you do. Just do that right there. It's irreversible, of course. You don't get a 2-day money back guarantee or anything like that. So what's happening now is on the blockchain, it is burning those cards. I don't know how that. I think they sent it to a dead wallet or actually destroys it. I don't know. And so now I got 1 card, 3 in the box. So I need 2 more to make this a second level. And I sold him at one time. I got him kind of built up, and the prices was real high, so I sold him. Go to splintercards.com and go to the tool that shows you the prices of the cards for the last 24 hours, 48, month, 3 months. And I look for some that's gone up like, 30% or more. And then I'll start thinking about selling it. And the same thing with buying it. I'll buy it at 30% discount. I do a little bit more research just in case that price doesn't add up. But it shines a light on it, gets you in the right area to start looking about buying or selling. But anyway, so that's how you burn a card. And that's why even if you don't get great cards out of the packet first, later on down the road, they will be. So let's look at this. Let's look at the leagues, okay? They've got the leagues, for what I can tell, is to separate the big guys from the little guys, so you're not getting the hell beat out of you. But because things get reset at the beginning of every season, you end up with a lot of these bots and guys who are guys and girls. I say people, whatever who's playing, and they just beat the hell out of you for the first third of the season, usually before things start loosening up. But they got to have it, because if they didn't, then you'd be playing, champion guys all day long, and that's not good. So you start out as a here, and then you go to the bronze, okay? And once you get up to a certain level, you only go back to a certain level. So I've been up to silver 1. I came 9 points away from a gold last season. 9 points. And so when I got reset, I was set at bronze 1. And then I got my butt kicked down to bronze 3. And now I fought my way back up to bronze 1. And so I will be back to silver 3, hopefully get back up to silver 1. But this is the cutoff line. You no longer get credits, you get DEC, which is better, and you get more of it. And you can win packs, and the prizes are just a lot better. So let's go look at the bronze. This is the rating you need. So I'm like at 7 something, so I'm right here. You got to have 5,000 power. I can get a max of 85,000 power if I stop renting everything. So I can get all the way to silver 1. I'd either have to buy cards or rent them to get to the gold. So right now I get 9 loot chests. You see how that goes up? And this is my commoner. This is my summoner, and this is what he can bring in. He can bring in a 3rd level common, a 2nd level rare, 2nd level epic, and a 1st level legendary. So the summoner is the gatekeeper, especially the higher levels you go up. So let's go to silver. See, now I can bring in 5, the 5th level common, 4th level rare, 3 epic, 2 legendary. And the rating, you need more and more. I need 1,600 or higher. I need 1,000. I'm at 7 something, so I need 200 something more just to get to silver 3. And then to see how the power rating, I can get to 85. So I can't, and I got 18 loot chests last season. So that's the leagues and how you play it. And your goal is to get as high as you can, of course. I mean, that's pretty explanatory. And you just got to be patient. If you're not going to sink a lot of money, I'm sinking $10 every other day. Okay. That's not a whole lot of money. It is. I mean, over the year, it's going to be about $1,500. I would like to sink more. I can't. But It's my budget. You got to do what your budget is, but you don't have to sink anything. But sinking money into it will, of course, speed up the process. Especially now, right now, if you were going to put any money to it, it would be at these low prices. And they've got some things. Now they did this on purpose. This wasn't on accident. They dumped all these packs. They got 15,000 of them, or 15 million of them, and it's the Chaos Legion. And I kind of hope, and they do that every year, that they'll drop 15 million packs, or maybe they'll drop it to 10 million if they don't need so many, or maybe they'll move it up to 20. And but it keeps packs available all year long. That is nice. Usually you go to a site, they sell out within days, and you're done till the next drop, which could be months, half a year, who knows. So there's only 6 million. Where's the number? There's 6,761,108 packs remaining till they run out. Okay. So they got more packs coming on another set. So they're going to be different cards. So it won't dilute, but it'll probably slow down the buying of the Chaos Legion packs. They've got the nodes coming out, the purchases. They've got a whole bunch of stuff coming out that's going to, it's interesting to see what it's going to do to the market. Is it going to water it down more? And of course, everything's suppressed right now. Things are starting to go back up, but we'll see. We'll see. But I feel very good about this. This is definitely a platform that's my top 10 platforms that I will be investing in, and I think will be around for the next 20, 30 years. There is nothing to change my mind about that. Go over to Twitch TV and check out Splinterlands TV. Follow them. 24/7 streaming. They didn't got it quite open all the way, but you can go, just like YouTube, the videos, you can go see them whenever you want. And it's all YouTubers that they're hiring to run it, that there's just going to be 24/7 video streaming. And learn the market. You got to know your market in order to do any good, because buying and selling is where that's why you don't need to stick money into it. When prices are going up and it's more on the upside, you can make a lot of money buying and selling if you get good at it. And I'm rambling. I'm going to go. That's all I wanted to talk about today. Join me every day. Please like and subscribe. I open up the rewards. I open up a pack and show you my numbers, which I didn't do today because they're the same as yesterday. And just follow me on my journeys. I try to get to $10,000 by the beginning of next year. Believe it or not, even though my profit right now is only about $150, I feel good about getting to 10,000, and I've got some reasons without going into it that I believe that's still the case. So thank you for watching.